Okay, so just so you know, this is gonna be a bit of a mindfucker. So, have you ever heard about Schrodingers cat equation? Well, it's a thought experiment. Nothing happened in real life, but imagine a cat in a box with around 15% chance of dying. Quantum mechanics says that it's both dead and alive at the same time until you observe it. Now, a cat isn't the best example because this doesn't happen to a cat. A cat is way too big, but on a quantum level, this is true. And here is the thing that most people get wrong about this. It isn't because a human is observing it that it chooses to be there or not. It is because when you observe it, light and energy and stuff comes down on it and then it chooses to be there or not. It's called a superposition.